Thank you. Here, Chase, come get your hot chocolate, please. Thanks, Mom. What the hell is wrong with you? That's mine. Mom said me. Mom, Emily took my hot chocolate. Bro, it's okay. I have another one. We have 3 hot chocolates. Just come get this one. Give me my hot chocolate back. Now. Mom, that one has whipped cream. The one you have doesn't. Don't. What? Don't do this? Or this? It's really good, Chase. I don't like you. Well, I still have your hot chocolate, so well, I hope you have a bad day at school. Well, guess what, Chase? I know you're gonna have a bad day.